In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can buy Ton on ByBit and then use the Ton to deposit it to your Tonkeeper wallet. So the process is just very simple. You just simply go to ByBit, you buy the USDT on ByBit, then you instantly swap it to Toncoin. Then from there you withdraw the Ton from your ByBit and just deposit it to your Tonkeeper wallet. So that's what I'll be doing in this tutorial. So now that means you need to have your ByBit account ready. You also need to have your Tonkeeper wallet ready. So if you are ready, let's just get started on the tutorial right away. But before I get started on that, I just want to share with you our website here. Our website is called soget.com. Okay, so this is our own platform here, soget.com. So on soget.com, you can actually buy your Toncoin directly from this platform and just simply deposit it to your Tonkeeper wallet. So you don't need to use the ByBit platform, whereby you need to buy USDT first and swap it. So on this platform, soget.com, you can simply just buy your Toncoin directly. For you to do that, it's just simply register an account on this platform, soget.com. Just take 1 minute to register an account. After doing that, then you can then sign into your account on this platform, soget.com. Then just simply place an order to purchase Toncoin. All right, then just simply drop your Toncoin address and your Toncoin wallet or your Tonkeeper wallet will be funded instantly with the Toncoin. Okay, let me just take you to ByBit to show you how you can do this using the ByBit platform. Alright, so this is my ByBit account here. Then before I proceed, let me also open my Tonkeeper wallet for you to also see. This is my Tonkeeper wallet here, and you can see that I have about 2.14 Ton, which is equivalent to $14.80. Okay, so what we'll be doing at the end of this tutorial is for me to deposit Ton to this my Tonkeeper wallet. So let me go back to my ByBit here. So you can see that on my ByBit here now, if I go to my asset here, you see that on my funding wallet here. Okay, let me just search for my Ton. Okay, you can see that on my funding wallet on ByBit. So my Ton balance is 0 Ton here. So we'll be getting Ton here. Then from here we'll now withdraw to our Tonkeeper wallet. All right, for you to get the Ton here, you need to first of all buy USDT. Okay, so it's the USDT we'll buy on ByBit. We'll then instantly swap it or convert it to Ton. If I check my USDT wallet here on, so you can see this is my USDT balance here. You can see that my USDT balance here is 0 USDT. Okay, so we are going to be buying USDT. So for we to do that, we just simply go to the ByBit dashboard here. Okay, then on the ByBit dashboard, just click on this P2P trading. Okay, my friends, so I am on the P2P trading on the ByBit here. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to buy USDT because you cannot buy Ton directly from other P2P traders. So we have to buy USDT first, then we then swap it to Ton. So I'll just simply look for a trader that we can buy a USDT from. All right, so I'll just scroll down. Okay, let me take this trader here. Just click on buy. Let me see if I can buy. Okay, his limit is 100. The minimum trading is 100,000 naira. So let me just see if I can buy 100,000 naira worth of USDT. Okay, so that is going to give me about 60.73 USDT. All right, so I'll just click on buy. I'll just trade with this trader. Okay, so before I trade, let me just contact the trader. Let me just say hello, just to know that the trader is online, so I won't just be waiting till he release my, after I make payment. I don't want to wait for so long, so I'll just message the trader to know if he's online. The trader has replied me, so let me just quickly go on to make the payment. Okay, so I'll be sending 100,000 naira to his account. Okay, I'll just click on this pay now button here. I just copy his account number. Okay, and I proceed to make the payment. Okay, so I've made the payment successful. So I'll just come here. I'll just click on payment completed. Okay, and I click on confirm. Okay, So I have just marked the order as paid. So I'll just wait for the trader to confirm. So but I can message him here, and let me just also send the screenshot just for him to confirm. So you can see I have also sent the screenshot of the payment to him, just for him to confirm that I have made the payment. Okay, my friend, so you can see the trader has released the USDT. So this is just the straightforward process of how you can buy USDT on ByBit. 60.73 USDT has been deposited to my ByBit wallet. So I'll just click on done here. Just go back. Okay, so I can click on view my assets here. I have USDT 60.73 USDT. If I click on it here, you just see that. So at this point here, what we're going to do is to convert or to swap this USDT to Toncoin. So just click on this convert button here. Okay, so we are converting from USDT to, okay, now it's on ETH. Just come to this ETH, just click on this ETH here. So we just search for the crypto we want to convert to, which is Ton, by just typing Ton here. Okay, then click on Ton. All right, so how many USDT are we converting? Let me convert everything. So just click on max here. 60.73 USDT. It's going to give us about 8.70 ton. So once you're okay with all this, just click on this quote button here. All right, then just click on confirm. Okay, conversion completed. We converted 60.73 USDT to 8.68 ton. So just click on view assets. So our ton here now we have about 8.68 ton, which is equivalent to about 59.87 USD. So this is just how you can buy your ton on ByBit platform. So you can see that ByBit took a little fee, let's say about less than $1 or 50 cents, because we had about 60 point something USDT, but now it's about 59.75 USD in ton value. So we're now going to simply withdraw this ton from ByBit and deposit it to our Tonkeeper wallet. So just click on this withdraw button here. So this is the page we're going to withdraw this ton. So the address, so enter the ton address you are withdrawing to. So this is where I'll just simply go to my Tonkeeper wallet that I showed you at the beginning. Okay, so I'll just simply click on ton here. All right, so this is my ton wallet here. My balance is 2.14 ton. I want to deposit more to this, so just simply click on this receive button. So you can see that this is my Toncoin receiving address. All right, so I'll just simply copy the address here, then I'll go back to my ByBit page here and just simply paste the address there. Okay, then you come to this network here, you click on this network, just take Ton. All right, okay, for this feed here, it's a tag or memo optional because my Ton address doesn't require a memo or tag. You can see it here. Let's just confirm. So there's no memo or tag required for successful deposits to my Ton wallet. So I'll just simply go back to my ByBit here. Just leave this feed optional. Okay, then this side, just take funding wallet because that's where the money is. Then just click on max. All right, while withdrawing everything. So once all this information is complete, you click on the withdraw button. Okay, so this is the preview page. Everything is correct. Just click on this confirm button. Okay, I've entered my information there, and you can see withdrawal application submitted. So most time ByBit withdrawal is automated, mostly within 2 to 5 minutes. So I will just wait for the withdrawal to be processed. So I'll just take OK here. You can see now that the ton has been deducted from my ByBit wallet. Okay, so let me just go to my Tonkeeper wallet just to check if the deposit would have been credited. All right. Okay, so I'll just go back here. Okay, so I'll just keep refreshing or reloading the page. Okay guys, you can see the deposit has been credited to my Tonkeeper wallet. Now you can see my Toncoin balance 10.73 ton, which is equivalent to $74. If I click on it, you just see the transaction history. You can see the transaction that just came in now from ByBit, received 8.58 ton. So from about 60.30 USDT, we're able to deposit 8.58 ton, which is equivalent to about 59.25. So let's say we paid about $1 in fees. So this is just how you deposit ton to your Tonkeeper wallet. So guys, I hope you've gotten the process and I hope you got value from the tutorial. Please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel on any platform that you are seeing this video, so that when we post more valuable tutorials or updates like this in future, you'll be the first to know. So thank you once again for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.